Confidence connects. Confidence connects. Content doesn't connect. Content doesn't connect. And I know that's the hardest thing for most of you to get. I did not come out of the womb confident. I think I came out of the womb a little more confident than some people. And I think that's just natural. I think some people come out a little more on pitch, and some people are a little more tone deaf, and some people are a little more confident. But confident is not something people have or they don't. Confidence is built. You know, the main reason I'm so confident, the number one reason I'm so confident, I'm fat. It's one of the number one reasons I am so confident, because I was going through, for one of the talks I'm giving, I'm doing Larry, I'm starting it with the dance recital story. And I was looking for a dance recital picture, and they're absolutely at age 5 or 6-ish. I was a little thick. I was not a fat kid. You know, I was not like, you know, a fat kid, but I became, and so I've actually never really known thin. I've actually never really known it. I've always been the chubbiest girl in the class, or the right. And so I remember being in 3rd grade and having this moment with Cindy Lloyd, who was my best friend all the way through high school, and Wendy Williams, both of them who were just rail stick thin. And I thought, well, shit, things are easier for them. I'm not insinuating they did not have challenges in their life. Nobody misunderstand what I'm saying. But I thought, damn, they get picked for, I mean, who is picking me for dodgeball, y'all? Who is fucking picking me for dodgeball? Come on. And I went, oh, I'll just need to make them pick me. I got it. It was a random epiphany in elementary school. And so my whole life, I've always gone, oh, need to be better, need to be faster, need to be smarter, need to be whatever, fill in the blank, need to be more certain. And so it's been a leading place for me. But the other reason is that I have, and this is not, I'm not saying this to be some dramatic Facebook meme. Honest to God, I just am a mess. I mean, I have failed so much. Seriously, I have failed so much, and I'm a mess, and I'll try anything. Like, I will literally try anything. And all of it is screwed up so much, and I have screwed up so much, and so much has messed up that, like, I don't sit around and have any deep worries about it all going wrong. It has all gone wrong, and I'm still here. People want confidence, they don't want content.